In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop perplexity from browsing the internet while also finding the best times to post on your social media accounts. Whether you're new to this tool or a seasoned content creator, this step-by-step guide will help make this process smooth and efficient. To get started, open your preferred internet browser and navigate to Google. Once you're on the Google homepage, type Perplexity into the search bar. As you type, you may notice suggestions appearing below, but continue typing until the word perplexity is complete. After that, hit the Enter key on your keyboard or click on the search option to proceed. Next, you'll be presented with a list of search results. Look for the official Perplexity website, which is usually one of the top links. Click on this link to be directed to the Perplexity homepage. Now that you're on the site, it's important to ensure that Perplexity is set up correctly to achieve the desired results. Once on the website, you'll need to disable all the sources. This is a critical step because disabling these sources stops Perplexity from browsing the internet and ensures it uses only its internal data for generating results. Typically, there are toggle switches or checkboxes that allow you to turn off each of the sources easily. Simply click on these options to disable them. With the sources disabled, you are now ready to make your prompt. Our goal here is to find the best posting times across various social media platforms. So, enter a prompt such as, "I am a content creator based in California, PST. Please provide the best posting times for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and X. Include the top 3 posting times for each platform and the best days of the week." By specifying your location and requirements directly, you ensure the results are tailored to your needs. After crafting your prompt, the final step is to submit it. Look for the Submit button, which is often located at the bottom of the interface. Clicking this button will send your query for processing. In just a few moments, Perplexity will generate a response based on its internal data, providing you with optimal posting times and days for each platform. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you can efficiently prevent perplexity from browsing the web, while also gaining valuable insights into when you should be posting on your social media platforms. These tips not only enhance your content strategy, but ensure you're reaching your audience at the most effective times. Thanks for watching, and happy content creating.